Hey there! So you've probably used ChatGPT or Claude and noticed they sometimes just guess or hallucinate answers, right? Well, RACT, which stands for Reasoning and Acting, is the framework that makes AI agents actually think through problems step by step before responding. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how this simple but powerful pattern works, why it's a game changer for reliability, and how it's being used in real AI systems today. Let's dive in. So here's the core idea. Traditional AI models just generate an answer in one shot, they see your question and immediately spit out a response. But RACT adds something crucial, it makes the AI explain its reasoning out loud before acting. Think of it like showing your work in math class. The agent breaks down every task into 3 repeating steps: thought, action, and observation. First, it thinks about what to do next. Then it takes an action, like searching the web or running code. Finally, it observes the result and decides if it needs another cycle. This loop continues until the problem is solved. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you ask an AI agent, "What's the weather in Tokyo and how does it compare to New York today?" Without RACT, it might just make something up. But with RACT, the agent first thinks, "I need current weather data for 2 cities." Then it acts by calling a weather API for Tokyo. It observes the result, 22 degrees and sunny. Next thought, now I need New York's weather. Another action, another observation, 15 degrees and cloudy. Final thought, now I can compare them. This structured approach means the agent can handle complex, multi-step tasks reliably and you can actually see its reasoning process. So what does this mean in practice? Companies are using RACT-based agents for customer support, data analysis, and even coding assistance. For example, a customer service agent using RACT might think, the customer wants a refund, then act by checking the order database, observe that the order is within the return window, think about company policy, and finally provide an accurate answer with a return label. The beauty is that each reasoning step is logged, so you can audit decisions and catch errors. This transparency makes AI agents trustworthy enough for production systems handling real business logic. So there you have it. RACT transforms AI from a black box that guesses into a transparent problem solver that thinks, acts, and learns from observations in a loop. It's the difference between an AI that seems smart and one that's actually reliable. Pretty powerful stuff, right? If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching.